Three Cliffs Bay is located on the Gower Peninsula in Wales, within the county of Swansea. It is considered one of the most beautiful beaches in the United Kingdom, known for its distinctive landscape featuring three large, arch-shaped cliffs, hence the name Three Cliffs. The beach is part of the Gower Peninsula area of outstanding natural beauty, which means it is recognized as an area of exceptional natural scenery.
With its golden sands and striking coastal cliffs that grace countless regional postcards, this beach is a destination worth visiting on those features alone. Add to that a meandering river that winds through a lush green valley, watched over by the ruins of an ancient castle, and you've got a coastal spot that truly stands apart.
It's without a doubt my top beach on the Gower Peninsula, and the first place I head when I need to get away to the coast. The sweeping views from Pennard Castle and the well-known cliffside lookout are some of the best in the area, and ones I never grow tired of.
While it might take a little more effort to get to than some other beaches, the scenery and experience more than make up for it. Lifeguards are present during the busier summer months, and dogs are welcome year-round, making Three Cliffs Bay an ideal spot for families and dog lovers alike. Three Cliffs Bay is one of those places that take your breath away from the very first glance. But not everyone knows that this place holds more than just beautiful views. It has a soul, and its own legends.
The legend of the three sleeping giants. Long ago, in a time full of magic, three giant brothers lived near what we now call Three Cliffs Bay. They were the guardians of this land, protecting people from storms and evil, with strength drawn from nature itself. One day, a storm greater than any before swept in from the sea. The giants stood side by side on the shore to stop it. They succeeded, but at a great cost. Exhausted, they collapsed to the ground and fell into a deep, eternal sleep.
Over time, their bodies turned into three massive rocks, the very cliffs we see today. Locals believe they are the three sleeping giants, still lying there, waiting for the moment they are needed once again. And when danger returns, they will awaken. Not far from Three Cliffs, perched on a hill overlooking the bay, lie the ruins of Pennard Castle. Once a stronghold of a powerful noble family, the castle's story ended in mystery and ruin. Today, it's just a short 20-minute walk from the beach, a scenic route that reveals more with every step.
According to local legend, during one lavish feast, the castle's knights mocked the fairies who were dancing in the moonlight nearby. Offended, the fairies cursed the castle. They summoned fierce winds and endless sand from the sea.
The dunes slowly swallowed the castle, forcing its people to flee. Even now, they say if you stand quietly among the ruins, you might hear the soft song of the fairies, and the whisper of sand that never stops burying the past.
From the ruins of Pennard Castle, you can take a peaceful walk along the stream known as Pennard Pill. This scenic valley winds gently through green meadows and natural hillsides, leading you to a truly unique spot.
Stepping stones, stones through time. Along the way, you'll come across the stepping stones, flat rocks laid across the shallow stream. While they might look like simple stepping stones, locals believe they hold a bit of magic. One tale says they were placed there by fairies, so they could cross the water without getting their feet wet. Others claim it was once part of an ancient path used by shepherds and travelers for generations. Crossing these stones isn't just a way to get across the water, it's like stepping into a story, walking through time and legend.
Stone spiral, a mystery in the grass. A little further on, hidden among the grass and gentle slopes, lies the stone spiral, a curious spiral-shaped arrangement of stones, crafted by human hands, though no one knows exactly when. Some believe it's a place for quiet meditation or ancient ritual. Others see it as a modern tribute to Celtic symbols and nature's patterns. Whatever the origin, the spiral carries a calm energy. Many visitors pause at its center, and some say standing there brings a sense of peace, or even a touch of good luck.
While you're nearby, don't forget to explore the sea caves that appear along the cliffs during low tide. These natural formations are carved by centuries of waves, and some are large enough to walk into. There's something truly magical about standing inside a cave, with the sound of the sea echoing through ancient stone.
There are 4 main places to park for Three Cliffs Bay.
Each of these 4 spots offers a short yet picturesque walk to the beach, typically taking between 10 and 25 minutes. If you're without a car, you can still get to Shepherds of Gower by taking the 118 bus from Swansea's main bus station.
Shepherds of Gower in Parkmill, Red Line. This is the location with the best parking and facilities. In addition, this location's starting point means that you can easily access both sides of the beach during all stages of the tide.
Pennard Golf Course, Yellow Line. This option is the quickest for reaching the Three Peaks and Pobbles Beach, however parking is limited.
From Penmain. This is the best option if you want to easily access in the sandy section of the beach, especially at high tide when the river covers the stepping stones. However, parking is limited and the only facilities are located at Three Cliffs Holiday Home.
From the National Trust Car Park in Southgate. The best option if you're a National Trust member or want to take a scenic cliff top walk to reach the beach. We started our journey from this car park. Three Cliffs Bay is more than just a breathtaking view, it's a place full of stories, legends, hidden trails, and ancient mysteries. From castle ruins to fairy tales, from stone spirals to sea caves, this part of Wales has a magic all its own. If you enjoyed this journey, leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more hidden gems across the UK. See you in the next adventure.